Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Venerable Memanisa Street as our lecturer and all of my friends. Okay, today we are going to continue our discussion. Okay, we are from group 8. My name is Melanium and my partner Desi Dwi Mas Julianti and Iracara Melita Naibahu. So we are going to talk about reviewing writing, yeah. So in reviewing writing, okay, we are going to talk about the scoring rubric, yeah. So what is scoring rubric? So rubric is used by the teacher to score the assessment of the student. As you can see in the slide, yeah, there are five aspects of the rubric. The first is content. It is indicate 30%, okay, of the scoring, and then we have organization that is 20%. It have identification and description, and also grammar, yeah. It have 20% also, that is use present tense plus agreement that related to the grammar, and then we have vocabulary. It is have 15% from the scoring, and then we have mechanic, okay, mechanic that is 15%, including the spelling, punctuation, capitalization, yeah, and so on. So if the content, the score, yeah, as you can see in the table, if the content is 4, okay, the topic score 4. If the topic is complete and clear and the detail are relating to the topic, okay. And then the weight of the content is 3. What is mean 3 times means, because it is 30%, so the weighting of the content is 3 times, and so on, okay. And then we have organization, that is have 4. Identification is complete and describe are arranged with the proper connective, yeah, connective, and so on. Okay, so here we have writing skill. So here I'm only going to discuss about the level 9 and level 8. So we have to know what is level 9 and what is level 8. So level 9, it is expert writer, okay, expert writer that is fully effective handling of written communication for all required tasks, okay. That's for the level 9. And then for level 8, yeah, very good writer. So a very good writer, there the writer have very nearly at full competence level, yeah. Okay, we next. Okay, so here are that is the writing test, writing text that given by Mem Anissa Street of the level 9. So I'm going to try to score, okay, about this writing. So here is my result, okay. So the aspect here, the content, okay, including topic and detail, I give score 4, because in this writing, okay, the topic is complete and the detail are related to the topic. So yeah, the topic is yeah, is detailed and complete, yeah. And then also the weight is 3 times. So we have also organization here, that as based on the rubric, okay, that is 20%, yeah, that is including identification and also description, okay. I also give point 4, identification, complete, and description are arranged with proper connective, yeah, okay. And then also we have grammar here. I give 4 because there are only a few, or I can say there is no grammatical inaccuracies, yeah, inaccuracies. And then we have vocabulary 15%, okay. I also give score 4, okay. The word choice and the word form is effective, yeah, 1.5 times, yeah, the weighting. And then mechanic, I am 15%. I also give 0.4 because there is no mistake in spelling, yeah, punctuation and capitalization. So how to score it, yeah? Score, we have to yeah, for the content, okay, we have 4, so the weighting is 3, right? So we have 3C because the symbol of, wait a minute, my laptop is going low. Okay, so how to score it, yeah, for the content of aspect we have the score 4, okay, the weighting is 3 times, so we have to take this 3 times, it's so based on this 3C, okay, it is 2, okay, 2O the symbol, and then 1.5 plus 1.5 of vocabulary and plus 1.5 of mechanic, so it must be times 10, okay, it is, and then we have to time it with 10, and also we have to divide it with 40. So the writing score here, yeah, it is 10, but we as teacher we cannot give the score 10 for the student in writing, yeah, but the most, okay, sorry, so we cannot give the score 10, okay, for the writer, because we as teacher, the most higher score is 9, so I give score 9, yeah. And then here we have the level 8, okay, so the level 8 is, yeah, as you can see the text here, yeah, for the level 8. Alright, yeah, as can you see in the slide. So how to score the level 8? So we have already know that level 8 is a very good writer. So the content here I give them 3, okay, I give the score 3 because the topic is complete, but the detail almost, yeah, almost related to the topic, so I give the score 3. And then the organization 20%, I also give 3 because why? The identification is almost complete with description are arranged with proper connectives. Yeah, and the grammar I also give 20%. Only a few grammatical inaccuracies, okay, inaccuracies, but not affect to its meaning. Yeah, sometimes it's not connect with the meaning. And then we have vocabulary 15%. Okay, the word choice and word form is effective, and mechanic, okay, it's for 15%. Okay, there is some mistake in spelling, punctuation, and capitalization.
Okay, my name is
Okay, so if
Daisy
we
now I'm going to
score
explain
it
the
with the
score of
formula.
writing text
So
of level
the
5.
writing score that I give for
Okay,
the level
the
8 is
paragraph in level 5
7.9.
ends with
Okay.
And
Okay, I
now
think
I'm
that's
going
all
to
of my
give the total
explanation.
score for this
We go to the
paragraph
next
writing.
presenter. Thank
And
you.
the total score for this paragraph writing is 7. So, why I give the total score like that? Now, look at that. Look at that the scoring rubric, the assessment of level 5, content. Score 3 because the topic is complete and clear and the detail are almost relating to the topic. Next, organization. Score 3 because identification is almost complete and description are arranged with almost proper connectivities. And then grammar. Score 2 numerous grammatical or agreement inaccuracies. And next, vocabulary. Score 3 because few uses of vocabularies word from but not change the meaning. And the last, mechanic. Score 2. It has frequent error of spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. Okay, next. Finally, this slide is the value of accounting the assessment, and the total is 7. Okay, I think that's all for me. Next.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ira Charmelita Nebaho. I will continue the presentation. Now, I'm going to explain the score of writing text of level 4. Okay, the paragraph of level 4 is like the picture in the PPT. And I give the total score for this paragraph writing is 7. So why I give the score is 7? Let's see the next slide. So to score of writing text level 4, I use Brown rubric. Okay, for the aspect, I give the score 4 because the topic is complete and clear and the details are relating to the topic. Next, for organization, I give the score is 3. It's because the identification is almost complete and description are arranged with almost proper connectives. Okay, next for grammar, I give the score is 2 because numerous grammatical or agreement inaccuracies, and also there are any incorrect verb from example in the sentence of I am really apologize. It's not true because apologize is a verb, so there's not need am or to be in the sentence. So just I really apologize. Okay, next is vocabulary. I give the score is 2 because the texts are limited range, confusing words and form and word form. Okay, next for mechanics, I give the score is 2 because it has frequent errors of spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. The example in the word of Kant in the text, the writer write like this, but the correct is this one. And then in the word of grateful too, it should be grateful, but the writer write like this. So next, let's calculate the score. Okay, the formula of Brown rubric are 3C, C is content, plus 2O, O is organization, and plus 2G is G is grammar, and 1.5 V as a vocabulary, plus 1.5 M as mechanics, and then multiply 10. After that, divide it for D. So let's enter the score that just we score. There are 3 multiplied 4 plus 2 multiplied 3 plus 2 multiplied 2 plus 1.5 multiplied 2 plus 1.5 multiplied 2. And then let's multiply them first with 10. So we get 2,180 points. After that, we divide it with 40, so we get 7 as a score. Okay, there are the steps how I score 7 for the paragraph writing level 4. Okay, I think that's all for our presentation. We are so sorry if any mistakes, and thanks for your attention. And I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.